Hello and welcome back to another episode of Testimonials Teardown, the show where we look at how top brands are leveraging customer proof, be that reviews or testimonials and use cases. On today's episode, we're going to look at a company called Lemlist. Lemlist does personal video outreach at scale, and it's a really interesting one, so let's dive in and check it out. So pretty soon on the page, we see the logos used to build authority. They drop some impressive names like Uber and Zendesk. Those who have been following the Teardown series know that I always recommend people actually link out to articles behind the logos, as I think it signals more believability. But having some high-profile logos is never a bad thing. Further, down the page, they introduce their community, which is a great asset of Lemlist, as it's highly active, and here they have a screenshot of some impressive results. Then, they have a section that says a cold email platform that people can trust. I like their tabbed system where you can read reviews by industry here. They do have faces that are attached to the text quotes, but they're small and they don't have the same psychological impact as some of the more prominent ones we've seen at earlier episodes in this series. What I would love to see here is a higher volume of testimonials/reviews as well as a little bit more depth. I think that would help make them more impactful. Also, it would have been great to see video or another medium of reviews here. Below that, they feature their third-party reviews, which are excellent, and this is a great call. In terms of multi-channel, Lemlist does have third-party reviews on YouTube, but not customer testimonials that I can find that would be easy to embed on the site. I opted in to both their blog and just the product itself and didn't receive any customer proof during the first few weeks via email. Overall, I would give Lemlist a B. Some of the things that they do really well. Right away, they highlight some of their prominent logos. So you build that confidence right on that second section on the page. They also have a tabbed system of testimonials a little bit further down the page, which is great because it allows people to focus in on the specific industry reviews or testimonials that are most relevant to them. They also highlight their community, which is a huge asset of Lemlist. Lemlist found a lot of their success through that Facebook community, and so it's awesome that they're putting that full front and center for people. Finally, they're one of the first websites that I've seen that actually references their third-party reviews right there on the website. So you see them calling out Capterra and their Google reviews right on that page. What I think they could have done to elevate it a little bit more is with those toggled reviews, the face icons were very small. I would have loved to see them expand that so that the human aspect of this was a stronger connection. I also would have loved to see them using video throughout different spots in that page. And as I've noted before, if they were able to take the logos and have those linking out and attached to actual case studies, I think that would have even built their credibility that much more. Join us next time for another episode of Testimonial Teardown.